Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp on prioritize one style over another. So this prompt is saying that there's sometimes we can have conflicts about the styling. So for example, let's say your H1 element has two different color styling of one of green and one of pink. So we want to see what would happen if we also had a pink element, pink coloring as well. So which one would it pick? And the style sheet, the CSS has a specific order of a hierarchy of what gets prioritized and what is colored. So for this exercise, we want to create a CSS class called pink text that gives the element the color pink. So below the body, we do dot pink text, curly brackets, color pink. And now we want to give the H1 element the class of pink text. So we go to this H1 element and we do class equals pink text. And what we know is that it changed from green, which is what we have here, to pink. And because this is a more specific order than the body, so this is just a more general one, and this is more specific one, it will go with this one as a hierarchy and prioritize this color text over that, even though this color of green and this color of pink conflict. And that's it. Thank you.